What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tags here, back with another YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Galaxy skin without paying a single penny and without getting the Note 9. So again, without further ado, let's get back into the video. So the first thing is, first you guys need to download HXT. This is a free hex code program. You guys need to open this and go over to your file and then just open the Fortnite game, then go to the content, then go to the packs, and then just open the Windows Client 0 pack. Just open that one or your game will be messed up. So when that's open, just go into the files, just press Command F and then just find for the Galaxy skin, the code of the Galaxy skin and the skin you want to replace it with. So in my case, I'll be replacing it with Sunstrider. You guys can replace it with any skin with having the same amount of letters as Galaxy skin, or in other words, Celestial skin. So once you have done that, just copy the code or the hex code of the Galaxy skin as well as the Sunstrider skin, and you just place it in the notepad or anywhere you guys would like it. Then after that, you just replace the codes of both the skins and you are done. That's literally it. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I will be catching you guys with a new hack in the next video, and maybe providing you guys with some other Fortnite content. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Until next time, goodbye and peace out. Please watch to the end. Please watch to the end of this video. Until next time, goodbye and peace out. Bye bye.